Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to search notes in Standard Notes step by step. The built-in search feature helps you quickly find important notes, saving time when your collection grows larger over time. So let's get started. First, open the Standard Notes app on your computer or mobile device and sign in to your account if needed. Once you're on the main dashboard, you'll see your list of notes along with the search bar near the top of the interface. Next, click or tap the search field and begin typing a keyword, phrase, or part of a note's title. Standard Notes will automatically update the results as you type, making it easy to locate matching notes without scrolling through your entire collection. Now review the search results and select the note you want to open. You can search using words from the title, note content, or tags if your version of Standard Notes supports tag-based organization. Using clear titles and consistent tags makes searching even faster. If you have a large number of notes, try using more specific keywords to narrow the results. You can also combine searches with tags or other organizational tools, depending on the features available in your version of the app. Finally, once you found the correct note, open it to view, edit, or update its contents. Any changes you make will automatically sync across your connected devices after synchronization completes. And that's it. You now know how to search notes in Standard Notes and quickly find the information you need whenever you need it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.